What exactly happened?
That the real brothers came. I guess I don't know.
But we don't know if they were.
That's true. But the king and the Jews were not the real brothers.
Alright, so, the real brothers, are they real?
No.
Nobody
The
knew.
real
We're
the king and the Jews.
confused.
How's that learning?
We've learned that we're not sure because they're not really consistent with their story.
The king
What
and
can you
the
tell me
Jews,
about the king and the duke,
they're after fucking.
Drew?
What?
What can you tell me about the king and the duke? What did we learn just now about the king and the duke?
The money was still in the coffin.
Okay, the money was still in the coffin. What about the king and the duke?
I don't know.
Someone want to help him out?
After
The king and the duke escaped. What happened with the king and the duke?
They're now
Escape.
Thank you. So the king and the duke got away with it.
wait, with just lying, like that was a big deal because they lied about it.
Everything. They lied about everything. They're
But they didn't get the money, right?
As of right now, no. We're not thinking. They're just going away on a canoe.
What happened to Mary Jane? Was she not in the house?
She was in the house. Remember the lighting of the candle in
Yeah.
order to signal? He saw the candle and realized that she didn't let him down. So now that he can get away, she's going to go. He was really excited because she's going to go and tell people, hey, are the royal nuns such? These two are con men. They're not really my uncles. But now that plan's null and void because the king and the duke are getting away. What else did we learn?
They're crazy.
Mary Jane got the money.
We're assuming that her and her sisters get the money, so...
Why are you laughing?
Not Michael Jackson, Mary Jane.
Jordan?
What about Jim?
Jim is still.
She's alive.
He's
Wow.
fine, he's safe, he's been good that whole time.
Jim is okay. He's alive.
Here's something that I really want to know. Those people, the gentleman that said that they were really the king and the duke's brothers that come over, isn't it mighty coincidental
I feel like
that they
they're
come over
brothers.
post-funeral?
2 more brothers.
Two more brothers were, yeah, okay, yeah, 7 brothers for 7
They're
brothers. And the one, he's like, well, that's not my writing, you see. It's my brother's. And my brother who writes it just so happened that his hand is busted. So you're not really able to see a sample of his writing.
They're probably con men.
Who knows? I have a question for you. Considering we have the king and the duke, I posed 2 questions on the board. Do the best laid plans really go awry?
No,
No.
never. There's always something that happens that messes it all up.
That's what the question is.
X Factor.
Do the best laid plans really go awry? Of mice and men. Well, the king and the duke have had this pretty planned out so far, and there might have been a couple of snafus, but they escaped.
Yeah, but their plan wasn't really to like.
It really didn't fall through
Yeah.
and everything.
Okay.
They really didn't get the money.
They didn't get to auction off everything. Like,
They didn't really get, okay, so they're still kind of stuck with the money. How about the second question? If you can get away with it, why not lie?
Lying's a bad thing.
If you can get away with it,
Lying's a sin.
why not lie?
I believe in instant
That's what I'm
Some people with karma,
Hello.
look at the king and the duke, they lied this whole time. They're still getting away scotch-free.
Yeah, but they haven't gotten
Have you seen
They haven't gotten karma yet.
But it will come back around and bite them in the butt.
You guys are firm believers in karma. So,
I'm not.
how many want to see the just desserts for the king and the duke? Pretty much everyone.
Yeah.
Thank you very, very much. You did good today for the most part, except for a lot of chitter chatter.
Well.
Yeah, that'd be good.